I've cleaned it 3 or 4 times now, just to see how it looks. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to have him pull the rope out so that we can get a better picture on the way out. Yeah, the line looks pretty good. I don't know if I'm going to do much more with this. Now we're in this 2-inch line for the laundry. It's got a crack, but I wouldn't worry about it. Look how wide open it is. The only thing going down here is water and suds. Now if you got cracks in the 4-inch line, then you have to do something about it. How nice that came out. Looks like there's a crack on the bottom. But the only thing that goes down here is water, so you should be good. And now we're up on the stack. There's the inlet for the laundry. Yeah, you shouldn't have any problems with that. That came out good.